Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video, I will teach you on how to identify a scam email. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. I received a scam email which is being sent in my spam, no, in my Gmail account. So one of the indication that this is a scam email. Number one, it it will put a header of donation, and then the email address, okay, is different, no, and then there is a warning here from Gmail. And then the body of the email, let us read, no? Dear beloved, I am Andrew Walters. I am a sick man who was diagnosed with cancer 6 years ago. My main reason for contacting you is because I want to entrust a charity project to you. I know this may sound strange to you and also extremely risky for me to offer such a proposal to strangers via email. Okay, so in this portion, this a certain Andrew Walters is trying to show that he is sick with cancer, and then asking for sympathy, no, that asking for help, no, for you, no, to become to entrust a charity, which very odd, no, because I am a private person, then I don't know this person, no, so this is the red flag. Stranger via email, but it's my last resort to get this done. I am looking for a confidant, someone to help my last wishes. So this is very dangerous. Once you reply in this email, this person who are using this fake name, like Andrew Walters, will ask series of personal questions that can be used against you. Hope to read you from you. I will appreciate your selfish act towards the less privileged. I don't mind if you could be trustful help. I will be waiting to read from you urgently as time is essent due to the limited time I have in my ill health condition. Best regards, Mr. Andrew Walters. The email is holder for at Gmail. So this one very suspicious. No, the email does not reflect to the name of Andrew Walters. Normally guys, when we receive this kind of email, do not entertain, do not reply, and then what we can do, no, if you receive this email, is to delete it forever. Okay, so we delete spam emails. So be careful, read carefully, and much possible do not entertain, delete, no, or remove spam emails. That is the tip that I can give you right now, no, on how to identify a scam email. I hope that you have learned something new in this video. Thank you so much guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you're new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.